Hello guys and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Guys. Okay, please don't say I'm toxic. I'm just analyzing. So guys, I was thinking, okay, Simphiwe Mangwabe's son just graduated. Graduation is a big thing, guys. Like, it's a big thing. Let's not lie to each other. It's a big thing. I know some people will be like, oh, okay, graduatile, is he even gonna find a job? Oh, there are a lot of graduates who are not working, wara, but no, guys, graduation is a big thing. Anyways, I'm a living testimony. I graduated in 2019. I only got a job now. It's 2024 now. That's like how many years? 3 years later, I think. I only got a job now, and it's a good job. Anyways, asikolapho, guys. My point is, graduation is big, and uzawuthola umsebenzi uSimphiwe. You know, when the time is right. When the time is right, uNkulunkulu uyayenza izinto zenzeke. So, hi. Bengimangala nje ukuthi I was expecting ukuthi mhlambe ubaba uMseleko uzampost uSimphiwe apho ukuthi congratulations, because ubaba uMseleko phela is the father figure who is there empilweni kaSimphiwe. But ubaba uMseleko did not even post uSimphiwe. I was going to understand ukuthi it was back then, singakabi kwazi ukuthi uSimphiwe is Mangwabe's son, right? But now that we know, I'm posting at congratulations. Instead of him posting uSimphiwe at congratulations, yena upost below at this is my daughter that I am. I'm not saying it verbatim, but obviously this is my daughter that I'm proud of. And poste ngawona lawa malanga uSimphiwe agraduate ngawo. Ngibe sengisithi how where ibingeke ilinde yini post kaMpilo, like siqale celebrate uSimphiwe siqede without any disturbances. Ubengeke asincedise yini baba uMseleko ukucelebrate uSimphiwe. And uSimphiwe posted a picture where ubaba uMseleko was I think bese kuyi graduation maybe celebration, not ceremony. Right, remember baba uMseleko according pictures, if we are reading pictures, pictures asitshela ukuthi baba uMseleko was not there on the graduation ceremony. But ngathi nje ba Mangwabe mhlawumbe uthe khona mawufuna ungeza ku graduation part asikuforced, wasebuya la mhlawumbe inhloni nje ukuthi maybe, guys, you never know, maybe he didn't even want to come. But wasesiza then ngabona uSimphiwe, guys, postile ku Instagram yakhe esithi thank you for everything mthombeni, ngathi guys, yazi ukuthini, asikho ukuthini sina, I'm just saying, right? Yazi ukuthi if uyingane ne and you have a father who is not present, I have seen it on a lot of people, and I've heard a lot of people talk about it ukuthi khona ubaba wakho uyathi yena lalela, I'm going to buy you maybe impahla zeKhisimusi, right? Or maybe athi yena uthi ubaba, or maybe athi ngizabuya ngizokulanda nge-weekend. Uthaba nkosi yami, uthaba ithaba ingane uthi hey, udede uyabuya nge-weekend, he's going to fetch me. Weekend ifike idlula weekend, afona udede 6 months later athi ngiyabuya ngizokuthatha nge-weekend. Athabe aqale phansi umntwana ukuthaba ukuthi udede yabuya kuze kwane 4 years 5 years lokho esenza njalo udede. So moral of the story, like it's easy to please a child, because like ingane, guys, ziyalangazelela ukuba lama father figures. So ungathola ukuthi ubaba uMseleko, that mere fact yokuthi he was there just to take a picture with uSimphiwe, it meant a lot to uSimphiwe. But I mean, thina masikubuka ngelihlo laphandle siyabona ukuthi no, it was just a picture. It's not like he paid the school fees. It's not like he was responsible for any other things, but he just came for a picture. And because ingane iyalangazelela that father figure nje, iyayifuna nje, so ibisisithi yona, I thank you Mthombeni for everything. Everything is Mthombeni coming to pose for a picture. Futhi guys, lengathi ukuthi ngitoxic kumbe njani no, uMangwabe is the one who said it on season 7, I think, yeah, ukuthi ubaba uMseleku akayingeni indaba kaSimphiwe, yena she is the one who is responsible ngengane. Futhi mhlawumbe maybe that's the reason why uMangwabe hates her husband so much. Guys, I know hate is a strong word, but yay, hayi uMangwabe akamthandi ubaba uMseleku. uMangwabe hates that man, guys. Okay, because why did uMangwabe refuse to sleep with ubaba uMseleku on the trip when it was her duty to sleep with ubaba uMseleku? Waqeda lapho wangashowi any remorse, kwangathi uthi yazini I don't care ngazo zonke, I don't care. It's not like I care and stuff. It's not like you're taking care of my son and stuff. So yeah, ngamanye ama signs nje atshengisa ukuthi uMangwabe nje she hates her husband. Also, that conversation that uMangwabe had with uMacele nje, guys, yayiboni yayisitshengisa ukuthi okay, this is the reason why uMangwabe hates this husband of hers, you know. I'm just saying, those who get it will get it. But hey, I so wish ukuthi ubaba uMseleku nga upostile phela uSimphiwe, because maybe uSimphiwe is going to be his only son that graduates, because already uMpumelelo nje, I've never heard Mpumelelo speak about school, and uLwandle, I've never heard uLwandle talking about furthering his studies. It's only the girls like Ompilo or Abo, you see. But the boys in that family, it seems like they hate school. They have other plans. Mpumelelo nje la uqeqeshile nje ekubeni ngumshayi wesinqa, uqeqeshile nje esikolo nje vele isikolo ngathaya kazingena Mpumelelo. So ubaba uMseleku nje maybe he might as well nje azincingisele lapha kuSimphiwe nje abe full father figure la ahambe eziqhenye ethi hey umntanami graduate, because you never know, maybe he's the only boy child who will graduate, you know. I'm just saying. Hi, anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.